So I just received my Pottery Barn chair for my daughter, and I am going to put it together and let y'all know how or what I think about it. There's really no reviews on Pottery Barn as to the chairs and what size to get and what fits the kids the best. But here is the chair and the packaging. That way you know what it will come like. Here it is. So I'm going to stop and keep going with it. I'm going to unwrap it first, that way you don't hear all the noises. So see you back real soon. Okay, now that the plastic fell off, I have the two arms to it, the instructions on how to take it, or how to put it together. I have the cover, and I have the back, and I take it the seat. It looks like it comes with this really, I want to say it's kind of nice, this cover that goes over the foam. That way if the kids spill on something, you can still take this off and wash it, whereas some of the other seats that I've seen don't have that, or you can't even take off the cover, and kids are messy. So let me see if I can put this together. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm turning it back on. I just read through the instructions. And I opened up the slipcover, and it kind of has a smell to it, like paint, just a little bit. It's not overpowering, but it does smell a little bit. So I kind of want to wash it first. Maybe it just needs air. Anyway, so I got this cute little pink with ruffles on it. I'm so excited. But I have to find the zipper. So let's do that. Okay. So it says locate the backrest cushion, place this cushion into the slipcover. It is the easiest to fit the sides of the slipcover to the cushion. But in order to do that, you gotta actually unvelcro this to put this back cushion in.